I've had my 2024 Tesla Model 3 for about 8 months now, and it's been an incredible experience. There's always new things to learn and discover, and always software updates to improve and add new conveniences. It's no wonder the Tesla Model 3 is the best all-around EV on the market today. If you've just gotten your Tesla, I've got 20 things, tips, and tricks to help you better enjoy your Tesla experience. So whether you're a new owner or a long-time Tesla driver, you might be surprised by some of these. Here we go. Your ambient LED wraparound light strip can be changed to over 1,000 colors of light. You just want to go to your light menu and go to ambient light. Depending on the color you pick, you can see the light during the day, so you can choose to keep it on all the time. It's a simple thing, but adds a lot to your car's interior. You can toggle your battery level icon, change it to miles left on your charge, or vice versa by pressing on the icon. I personally prefer to have it on the battery level, but the choice is what you want. Here's a simple way to save yourself $350 for the automatic garage door opener. Just take one of your garage remotes and Velcro it to the back of your screen. It's out of sight and conveniently just where you put it. No extra dollars spent. You know you can put your Tesla's parking brake on manually just by pressing and holding the P icon. I don't know when you would really need to do this, but I'm sure there would be times when this would be valuable information to know. You can access all your vehicle's camera views in one place. Just go to your car menu, go to Service, and select Camera Views. And while we're talking about camera views, if you go to your Tesla app and select Security and Drivers, turn Sentry Mode on if it's off, and it says View Live Cameras. Here you can select any of the 7 camera views from your car. I find this very useful if I have my dogs in the car. I can check to make sure they're all good and behaving. Which brings me to our next Tesla convenience. When you leave your car and you want to maintain the car's interior temperature, just tap on the cabin temperature and then select Keep. You can also select the pet mode, which will keep your pets comfortable while you're away from your car. We mostly use this when we're traveling with our pets, traveling out of town, and we stop and eat. Your screen will also let those seeing your pets in your car, showing them the temperature in the car and that they're comfortable and that their owner will be back soon. Use your app to preheat or cool your Tesla's interior before you head out. This way your car is the perfect temperature every time you get in. You may know that there's an alternative way to open your front seat door. It's used to manually open your door. There's a lever just in front of the window controls. However, you never want to use this manual lever to open your doors unless you absolutely have to. When using the manual handle, the window doesn't lower a bit before the door opens. Tesla sent out a software update to fix this, but you should still just use the manual handles only in the case of an emergency when you need to. The back doors also have a manual emergency handle located in the lower door pocket. It's covered with a square of material. With this one, as in the front, use only in an emergency situation. This next one is a word of caution. I've seen other videos suggesting to go to a particular website in your Tesla's browser to give you more apps, channels, and games. Do not go to that site. The site is abettertheater.com. If you do, you'll end up locking up your browser and potentially have other internet problems. Just a word of caution, stay away from that site. You can send an address or location from your phone's Google Maps or Apple Maps and send it directly to your Tesla's navigation. Just find your location on your phone, share that location, and select your Tesla app. When you get in your car, it'll be on your navigation screen. You can also send an address from your text to your Tesla the same way. Ever use your interior lights? I never did before I found out how to use them. Just tap on the light to turn it off, turn it on. Your on-screen icon of your Tesla can be moved around so you can see your car's position from the cameras. This is very useful when parking in close, narrow spaces or a garage. I find it helpful when parking in my garage to know that I pulled in far enough to close the garage door. One issue I was having when I was leaving my garage and my own home Wi-Fi connection, my Tesla would begin searching for a signal after my buffer was used up. Sometimes I had to wait up to 5 minutes before my car's Wi-Fi would connect. I found the way to fix this issue was to turn off my car's Wi-Fi and turn it back on again just after I left my house. Now I never have any Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Have you ever not been able to open your charge port? I never have personally, but this is a problem I know does happen. Here's a way to open your charge port if you're not able to open it. Open your trunk. On the driver's side at the top of the wheel well, there's a small opening, and inside is a pull lever. Just pull it and the port will open. If you ever need to reboot your car, like your phone, sometimes it needs to be done. You can do so by pressing both scroll wheels on the steering wheel at the same time and holding them down until the screen goes black. The car will do a soft reboot. It takes about 5 minutes. Are you using the green light chime? If not, you'll find it in the menu under Autopilot, and at the bottom you'll see where you can turn it on. We've all been the recipient of a honk because we were looking somewhere else when the light turned green. This chime will let you know when the light changes to green. You can change what function your left scroll wheel does. You access this option via the menu and go into Controls, Display, and then Scroll Wheel Function. It'll give you a list of all that you can change that scroll wheel function to do. If you have passengers in your car that utilize the back seat, they now have control over their own space. The back seat screen can be used independently from the front screen so they can listen to what they want to, watch what they want on the same apps as the front has. Play video games, control their temperature, the air. They also have fast charging USB jacks to keep their phone, tablet, or laptop going for the whole trip. Here's one extra tip. You can move the turn signal side view camera image to one of 4 different locations on your screen. Just tap, hold, and move the image to whichever place you prefer. Tesla is constantly evolving, and with frequent software updates, there's always something new to discover. Whether you're a longtime owner or just getting started, exploring these features can enhance your driving experience and make every trip more enjoyable. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more Tesla videos. And if you're curious about Tesla's full self-driving FSD and whether it's worth the extra cost, be sure to check out my in-depth video on this topic right here.